And
Oh,
like,
no.
I'll be like, I was only taking, I only took, my bad. Hi.
You're behind the scenes on King versus Hobo. Mustache. You ready yet?
No, but some of us like take time to get our costumes together.
My costume is together.
It
I've got my
is
crown and my
now.
mustache.
It is now.
Hurry up.
I'm trying.
Helga.
Hey, my name changes. You can't call me that anymore. So that's
You're behind the scenes?
King
Yeah.
versus Hobo.
We would already have the first episode on, but person who has it on their camera doesn't really know how to put it on the computer.
I kind of lost it.
Not really.
But it's kind of lost right now.
But if she's a lead spot, yeah. I didn't really feel like learning my hair to put it up to be the king, so I just put my crown on. Yeah. Helga, the Parisian ninja, and the American Indian spy. I don't know.
Cool like that.
She changes randomly. But
Not when I wash.
She's but yeah, so this is annoying.
This is my arch enemy. Bob. King Bob. 30 seconds. He's declared nuclear war against me.
Most of the things I do in the videos that happen to just be the funniest part happen out of nowhere.
It was
They're
my
actually not
fault,
supposed to happen. In the first video, what happens? I remember what happened in the first video that I totally screwed up, but it's hilarious. But in the second video, someone spills orange soda on my carpet. And I had to clean it up.
I helped.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, so.
Help my arch enemy.
This is Oinkers. But, so yeah.
Oinkers.
Oinkers. Look, he actually moved.
Cut. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but your pig's not very well coordinated.
I'm trying to say something.
No.
Yep. We would make another episode right now. But, let's see, I think his name is Jim Bob, something like that. And, the hobo aren't here right now, so. The hobo is probably at home having a sleepover of her own, because she's not cool enough to be here with me and Helga. And the person that just plays whoever we need in the film, yeah, she's sick.
She is?
Yeah, definitely sick.
That's sad.
That's why she hasn't been to school for a week and a half.
I knew she was gone, but I didn't realize she was gone that long.
Yeah, it's been about a week and a half.
That's sad.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Hurry up.
Do I ever know what I'm doing?
Good point. This is Geico. He sells insurance and makes me extra money. Buy my insurance.
Yes,
Geico,
we all
Geico.
need insurance because all of us drive cars.
He's British.
Geico. 15 minutes. Such a moral conscience.
15%. 15%, come on. So, doesn't look like you're Helga anymore.
No.
Who are you, Miley Cyrus?
Heck no.
Gone back to her countryside?
Heck no.
Yeah. That reminds me, I made another video with my friend Mackenzie who plays the hobo. It's called Lucy, Louisiana. Check it out. I'm just a normal girl, and then I put on my wig, and I'm Lucy, Louisiana. Let me see how long this video is.
Yeah, and I'm just a normal girl who changes costumes
Okay,
like constantly. and becomes Helga and him and her and this and that and the other.
This video's 4 minutes, so this is my fish. His name is Fish. And, so yeah, my mustache, King Bob.
King Bob the 32nd.
Farewell.
Peace out!